In this quick video you will learn how to sign up and create your own partner program portal account and start earning money. First we visit this page and then go to the very bottom and start to enter in all the details correctly, one by one. And then once completed, click the register button and wait for like 1 minute. If nothing happens, then press it again, then it will auto create your account and log you in. Now you will land inside the dashboard page. Firstly, you can go through the provided training guide information and watch the provided videos to understand how to promote. And then afterwards you can go to the marketing tab and then to the your unique links to promote tab, and from inside here you can copy your unique link and start promoting it. So when people click link, it will show up inside the reports tab under the traffic log tab, while normally in the dashboard tab it may not display this metrics sometimes. Now that you have your link, you can go to the Marketing tab again and then to the Creatives tab, and from here copy the URL as shown in this video and open it in a new tab, and then download the pre-made ads and use them to promote the service with your unique link added to the caption of your posts. Besides this, you can also go back to the dashboard and copy the link seen under section which mentions about inviting users to partner program, and then go to Marketing tab and then to the Your Unique Links to Promote tab, and from inside here you can paste link and generate an unique link, and then you need inform person you want invite to provide you the info needed to fill out in the registration form, so you can then open that generated link in a new incognito window and then fill out inviting person's details and a random password, and provide inviting person the account details to use after creating account for them, and then email us their account username so we can link it to your account, so you will get 10% commission on their earnings. After we link your account, you can go to the Reports tab and then to the Invited Sub-Partners tab, and in there it will show you your invited user linked to your account. Also, now here we demonstrate what happens once a user who you had referred had submitted lead form, and then we spoke to that customer and converted them into a sale, so then your commission is awarded in the system which you see updated in the balance.